selfie pic. Alright, these waves you up, huh? Oh, I got one.
Yes, oh my god, yes. Bro, reel that alligator.
I got one. Hey guys, it's Seabass here. Welcome to another video. So on this trip we actually decided to go camping. We got to Willow Beach around 12 and we ended up leaving around 4 p.m. on the next day. We didn't get skunked, we ended up catching a striper, and the scenery was honestly amazing. Waking up and going out there right at the break of dawn is awesome. So we obviously started our night off here at the launch and we kayaked our way up, trolling, trying to catch a striper, until we got to the River Gauge house site where we decided to set up tent.
Dude, look how shallow it is here.
I wanna check out where we're going.
Oh.
I don't think I've sat that long in weeks.
They're there.
Alright, let's go investigate.
Second, I'm gonna take this. Record it. Obviously.
Alright, so talk and get a little loud, so if there are wild animals over here, we don't drive them.
What do you say?
Help me talk and be loud, so if there are wild animals, we don't surprise them. See?
Like that. What is that?
Alright. Oh, doves.
Those are doves.
Or sage duck. Quail, maybe?
Quail, yeah, I think that was a quail, dude.
Oh, whatever it was, it kind of scared me.
Yeah, because it just kept on going like it was pretty empty.
Not gonna lie, those quail scared me pretty good. So the audio from this clip is actually from my kayak that's still back shore. So the noise that those quails were making were a lot louder than you can hear in this recording. So we ended up stopping right around here and we ended up pitching our tent up and called it a night.
I can't believe I was scared of a quail.
I was too, though. That was a really loud. Oh man.
At first I was like, oh, they're just birds. It just kept getting more intense. I was like, it's a bumblebee cougar.
Any luck?
Yeah, he's got a 7-pounder. 7-pounder, nice. Look at this thing.
You have it in your boat?
Oh wow.
Nice. You mind if I record?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna record you guys. Oh wow, 12.5 pounds.
Oh shoot, really? Nice, man. See if I got that. Oh shoot.
No, that's alright, that's me. Or no, that's you.
No, that's you. Let me go back here.
Yeah, let me get out of your way there.
That's yours. There you go. It's all out. It's awesome, man.
My third fish of the night.
Oh, what was this? How much did the second one weigh?
They were the first two I didn't even weigh, but they were about 5 pounds.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. You heading? I'm assuming you're heading out of here soon.
I'm heading home. That's what I wanted to accomplish right there.
That's good. That's good. You have a good one, man.
You too. Sick, dude. Oh, hold on. What's your guys' name?
Sebastian.
I'm Caleb. Hold on. Sebastian and who?
Yeah,
Caleb.
Sebastian and Caleb.
Caleb. Yes, sir. Sebastian and Caleb. They witnessed my taking down a
12-pounder. Yeah, nice one, man.
They
Congratulations.
also witnessed my first one of the night.
Yeah. You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Are you Henderson?
Henderson hooking.
Hey! I know you, man. I watch your videos.
Oh, right on. Cool beans. Thanks. Appreciate it.
I was gonna stop like rowing up here, and it was all the way up here, and then they turned around from up here. Dude, is that bighorn sheep? To our right. Or are those donkeys? Dude, I want to see if I can get closer. Huh?
I'm gonna get closer.
Yeah, me too. They're leaving.
Yeah, they're goats, bro.
Dude, that's crazy. Oh man, we're scaring them away a little bit. That's so cool though.
He just went into that cage. This is why boating kind of sucks compared to kayaking.
Yeah, you would have missed it. You know, there was a good chance of seeing it, but you definitely had a good chance of missing it for sure. That's cool, man. Well, not much happened after this. We found a pair of sunglasses, my friend tried to catch a carp, and we ended up trolling all the way back to the launch. Now, in this clip, it's a little embarrassing, but I thought I saw an alligator. I've heard of stories of alligators getting put into lakes and stuff, so I didn't think it was impossible, but in this case, it ended up being just a piece of wood. So being the intelligent person that I am, I wanted to check it out as fast as possible. Alright, these waves you up, huh? Oh, I got one!
Fuck yes! Oh my god, yes! Bro, reel that
I got one!
Oh bro, let me pull shit!
Dude, what is the timing, man?
Bro, when you get it close, I'll help pull her in. I gotta see this. Oh fuck, I gotta stop like jousting you with these rods.
Oh my god, I see it over there.
Bro!
Do I got something? Yeah, I think I do.
Dude, it's so worth it.
It's just floating on the surface, I think, now.
I am more than happy to have been out.
Yeah, I see it. There's one there, 100%. It's just floating. It gave up already.
Alright, I'll turn it on.
Turn it on and start recording. Because my back camera died, so I lost an angle. Dude. Yeah, it's fighting again.
Ready? Around to this side and I'll get it. Guys, calm down.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let her fight.
Yeah. Full drag.
Alright.
He sees the boat now. He's scared. I feel that resistance. Yep.
Let him run a little bit. We don't want to.
Yeah, I know. When he stops running like that, then I'm going to start working him back.
Bro, you putting in the hard work.
Oh shit, look at that, look at that. He's pushing, he's getting weaker. He's getting weaker.
Well, he's going to get inefficient.
Look at that, he's getting weaker. Weaker. Oh, dude, he's so fighting right now. Oh man. He's right on this side now.
Dude, I can't get a good angle. There we go.
It's all good.
There we go. Oh my goodness.
Dude, I think this one might be bigger.
Worth it. I'm sorry for doubting you, man. It was worth it.
Oh, there it is. No. Oh my gosh, it's so deep. Dude, he's bigger. 100%.
Oh my gosh, he's a giant! Alright, I'm leading it in there. Oh my god, it's a giant, dude. Wait, keep it in there, keep it in there. It can thrash out of there.
I know, but...
Let me get the GoPro. Let me get closer. Just hold it there, I'll get to you. Okay, hold it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paddle to the shore so we can measure it.
What a beautiful fish.
Holy cow.
Sorry you have to die, amigo, but I'm hungry.
Oh man, check it out. All right.
Paddle to the shore over there?
Yeah, let me get
to the shore with the crocodile.
Let me get the this thing.
The net?
Yeah, I'll do this.
Dude, that's beautiful.
Dude, he's bigger, for sure. He's bigger than the last one I caught.
So happy for you. That makes it worth it. Yeah. See, all we needed was one fish, man. Oh.
Okay, so I want to show you how it was hooked. Yeah, so he was hooked.
Here, I'll help you out.
Whoa, dude. He was hooked in the fin. Was he hooked in the mouth in the beginning?
No.
He could have been, because look how it's positioned. He could have been hooked, but...
Hold on, watch out. I'm gonna undo the net. Dude, no, when I pulled him into the net, that mouth one was literally just chilling.
So guys, I hope you liked the video. I'm so happy I didn't get skunked this day. I mean, this was a really long day. This fish ended up weighing 8.5 pounds, and it ended up being my new PB. So if you liked my video, please consider liking and subscribing, and have a good day.